Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to put the center stand on your Bullet motorcycle using an easy method. First, always ensure your motorcycle is on a flat, stable surface. This prevents any accidental tipping and provides a secure base for the process. Make sure your handlebars are straight and the front wheel is pointing directly ahead. This alignment is crucial for maintaining balance as you engage the stand. Now, locate the center stand lever, typically found near the rear wheel on the left side of your bike. Next, let's focus on your grip and foot placement. With your left hand, firmly hold the left handlebar grip. This gives you control over the front of the bike. Your right hand should grasp the rear frame or the passenger grab rail, providing leverage and stability from the back. Now, place your right foot firmly on the center stand's foot lever. This is the point where you'll apply the necessary downward pressure to engage the stand effectively and safely. Now for the main action, the push and lift technique. Apply steady downward pressure with your right foot on the center stand lever. At the same time, pull upwards and slightly backward with your right hand on the grab rail or frame. This combined motion is key. Lean your body weight back and slightly down, using your legs and core to assist in the lift. You'll feel the stand pivot and the motorcycle rise onto both legs, becoming stable and secure. Once the stand is engaged, it's crucial to verify its stability. Gently rock the motorcycle from side to confirm it's securely resting on the center stand. Make sure both legs of the stand are fully extended and making firm contact with the ground. This ensures maximum stability. Always perform this quick check before walking away from your motorcycle. With a little practice, engaging your Bullet center stand will become a quick and effortless task, keeping your bike safe and upright.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.